Have you seen the movie Squid Game? But I'm sure you never thought someone could make a scene from the movie using mainly paper. I just wanted to make something serious with the cheapest materials I can lay my hands on. I know I say this all the time, but I won't stop saying it because that's what I do most of the time. I will be multiplying myself. I have to fix my uniform. Here we go. Then change the color to match the original. And it is made out of paper. When I was planning this video, I know it's gonna be challenging. However, I never thought it was gonna be so hectic. I thought I could do this in a day or two, but no, I was wrong. The pillars for the castle are paper. You don't believe me? Just watch.
That I stand, your mercy, currency that I stand. I'm loving you, Robbie, there's no end. On you, Lord, I depend. I wish I could say I thank you. All the way that you're free down, you've been there when I call, in the day, even when the night fall. 24/7, that's beautiful. Alone about your wall. Anywhere that I stand, your mercy, the currency that I spend. I'm loving you, Robbie, there's no end. On you, Lord, I depend. You've been there when I call, in the day, when the night fall. 24/7, nothing you for. Alone about your wall. Anywhere that I stand, your mercy, the currency that I spend. I'm loving you, Robbie, there's no end. On you, Lord, I depend. With you, I can never fall. You know that good that I have forever. When I go, I'll be back and with you that I found the heart. I see this to.
So yes, this is the secret. I can't just use paper. I need some texture, so
It's still love that you show me. It's keeping me going. It's still love I see in the morning, in the evening. It's the love for me.
when I was a kid watching Masters of the Universe, Castle Grayskull felt enormous. It felt impossible. But now that I'm building it, I'm realizing somebody actually had to design it. The giant skull, the towers, the weird shape of the walls, and somehow all of that started as a sketch on someone's desk. Mine is starting as a pile of paper. Honestly, that's the part I love the most about dioramas. You begin with something that looks like trash, and for a while it keeps looking like trash. Then one piece starts working, then another, then suddenly your brain starts to believe it. I'm not there yet. Right now, I'm still starting a cardboard skull, wondering if this is a terrible idea. One thing I've learned from making dioramas is that details are weird. Nobody notices them individually. Nobody's gonna click this video because of one brick or one tiny texture. But take those details away and the whole illusion falls apart. It's kind of like Castle Grayskull itself. Nobody remembers every little part of it. They just remember how it made them feel. That's what I'm trying to recreate here. And I'm getting close. I think my Grayskull is flat and it's gonna benefit from a little bit of light adjustment. Okay, I had to show you this. This is what my workspace looks like after working on this project. It's crazy. Okay, the final outcome is coming in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.